In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Ads account. This process can be completed in just a few straightforward steps, so let's dive right in and ensure you know exactly what to do. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads website and log in with your credentials. Once here, you'll find yourself on the overview page, which serves as the central hub for all your advertising activities and accounts. The overview page allows you to have a quick glance at your performance metrics and ongoing campaigns. Remember, it's essential to ensure you truly intend to close this account, as deleting it will stop all ads and pause any future charges. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see a profile icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. This interaction will bring down a drop-down menu showing all the accounts associated with your login credentials. Clicking on the profile icon is akin to unlocking a gateway that gives you direct access to manage and modify your linked accounts. Once you've accessed the drop-down menu, it's time to choose the specific account you wish to delete. Take a moment to double check that you are selecting the correct account. It's easy to select the wrong one, especially if you manage or oversee multiple accounts, so make sure you select the right one to avoid any unintended consequences. After confirming the account you want to delete, look for the delete icon next to it. This is usually depicted as a small trash bin symbol, offering a universally recognized sign for deleting something. Click on this delete icon, and the system will ask for final confirmation. This additional step is a safety measure put in place to ensure that you're fully aware of the action you're about to perform. It can't be reversed, so proceed with caution. After confirming, your Google Ads account will be set for deletion. This means you won't be able to create new campaigns or view the account's performance metrics from that point forward. It's a good idea to download any important data or reports beforehand, just in case you need them for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a Google Ads account. Whether you're just cleaning up old accounts or restructuring your advertising strategy, this process will help you maintain an organized and efficient workspace. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like this video and subscribe for more insightful guides and walkthroughs. Have a great day and see you next time.